Stop overpaying for no-code AI tools. Let me show you why you should use Python with ChatGPT to build custom apps instead. No-code platforms can cost you $50 to $100 a month, adding up to a hefty expense over time. Plus, you're stuck with their limited features. Customizing your app can feel impossible without costly upgrades. With Python, you own your project and can scale it however you want. I gave ChatGPT this detailed prompt: help me build a video transcription tool using Python. It should extract audio from a video file, transcribe it to text, and save the transcription to a file. Provide me with IDE recommendation, required libraries and frameworks, and directory structure. ChatGPT recommended VS Code IDE for its debugging and ease of use, or PyCharm for its Python-specific features. It suggested libraries like MoviePy for extracting audio and speech recognition for transcription. It also laid out the project structure. ChatGPT walked me through setting up the environment and project structure, provided code snippets for extracting audio, transcribing it, and saving the results as a .txt file. Building CaptionDon didn't cost me anything, no subscription payments, and no expensive tools. The app was 100% customized to my needs. And I learned Python while building it. Why settle for no-code platforms when you can create exactly what you need? Let's bring your app ideas to life. Ready to start building? Drop your app ideas in the comments, and I'll help you bring them to life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more coding and AI tutorials. See you in the next video.